Hello students, this is the chapter number 38, Banking and Stockbroking Phrases. Phraseography in banking and stockbroking. The shorthand writer engaged in banking or stockbroking will meet with many terms peculiar to these branches of business, and he should equip himself with suitable and easily written phraseograms for their rapid representation. It will not be sufficient, however, for him to know the shortened outlines for these phrases. He should make himself master of the meanings of the terms and their correct use. A study of the following list will enable him to frame similar contractions for any phrase not included in this list. दिस इज़ द लिस्ट फॉर बैंकिंग एंड स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग फ्रेजेस की लिस्ट अलग से है। ठीक है, तो अभी हम आज क्या करेंगे, बैंकिंग की लिस्ट करेंगे और उसके डिक्टेशन जो है एक्सरसाइज की वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको दी जाएगी। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद बैंकिंग फ्रेजेस। एक्सेप्टेड फॉर द ऑनर ऑफ के एस सर्कल पी हार्ड विद एन with R hook and a tick off above the line. Accepted payable in London. KS circle P halved bull downward L halved with N hook with N stroke. Ad valorem stamp. D above the line Wall with S circle with MP. Advance against a life policy. D with V hook. N with S circle. G with S circle and life के लिए F and policy के लिए intersecting P is used here above the line. Next is arbitration of exchange. Arbitration के लिए downward R intersecting here with K S circle J on the line. Bank note B for bank and a disjoint N half is used here for note. Bank post bill B disjoint here with post. P S circle for post and bill के लिए B upward L. British government securities bar half for British with ish downward ish and intersecting it with G with S circle. गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज़ गवर्नमेंट से इंटरसेक्ट किया एंड सिक्योरिटीज़ के लिए क्या एस सर्कल के विद एस सर्कल. नेक्स्ट इज केबल रेमिटेंस के बल ऑन द लाइन. ठीक है, एम टी एन एस सर्कल केबल रेमिटेंस. कैंसिल द चेक के एन stroke and downward L after S circle and for check J disjoint here for check. Circular note S circle upward R cull and N hard for note. Circular note. Clearing house cull above the line for clearing intersecting it with S for house. Country check K half with N hook upward R and intersecting it with J. Country check. Course of exchange cur on the line S circle K S circle downward J. Course of exchange. Date of maturity of the bill D on the line T. Next is maturity M halved R upward. ठीक है, and bill B upward L. Next is deed of transfer D half for another D on the line ter. ठीक है, S circle with fur F with R hook is used here. Draft on demand der halved with F hook for draft on demand. D M halved with N hook for demand. Form of indemnity form intersecting F is used here for form. Indemnity के लिए क्या T M N N T. In case of need N stroke K S circle N half for D. Joint stock bank, JS circle T and B is intersecting here for bank. Last endorser, L S circle DIR, S circle downward R. ठीक है, above the line से शुरू होते हुए to the line पे finish. London clearing bankers, L downward halved with N hook, N stroke कल clearing bankers के लिए क्या, NG with R hook with S circle. London clearing bankers, long exchange, upward L above the line, NG K S circle with J, long exchange. Next is memorandum of deposit, double M on the line, D intersecting here, P S circle with T. Next is metropolitan check, M halved for T, upward R, P and intersecting J is used here for check. Negotiable instrument, N G S T R, negotiable के लिए हो गया, and instrument S TER on the line with MNT, meant instrument. Negotiable security, N G downwardish on the line and security S with कर, security S with K, ठीक है, कर. Nominal consideration, N M S, consideration के लिए क्या, DIR and shun hook. Nominal consideration. Not negotiable check, N halved for not, negotiable के लिए N G downwardish and J intersecting here for check. Orders to retire acceptances, the doubled form of R is used here for orders with S circle, and retire upward R S circle, for acceptance के लिए क्या, S circle P and S circle, means downward R doubled, S circle, upward R S circle P with N double S circle, ठीक है. Paying slip, P intersecting here and S circle upward L, another P, paying slip through the line. Per procuration acceptance, per on the line, procuration के लिए क्या, per K S circle, नहीं, procuration के लिए per and K only, and S circle P and S circle for acceptance. Next is rate of exchange, upward R T with F hook, K S circle with J on the line, rate of exchange. Refer to drawer, DIR above the line, R with F hook is intersecting here and downward R for drawer, ठीक है. Descriptive endorsement, R upward S circle TER, descriptive endorsement, DIR S circle MNT, meant. Short exchange, SHUR halved with K S circle J on the line, short exchange. Specially endorsed, SP on the line for specially, DIR SD is used here, endorsed. Telegraphic transfer, T for telegraphic, another T disjoint for transfer on the line. Town check, T downward T with N hook intersecting here with J, town check. Without recourse, without on the line and course joined here for recourse. Written authority of the drawer, upward R halved with N stroke, id intersecting here DIR and upward R. Clear? So these are the banking phrases. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कोई भी दिक्कत हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू।